फ्रेंड्स एंड फूडी सरी में आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। कुकिंग के साथ साथ ब्यूटी का भी ध्यान रखना पड़ता है महिलाओं को, और ब्यूटी के लिए मेकअप का ब्रांड, एक ऐसा ब्रांड जो पैराबेन फ्री है, क्रुएल्टी फ्री है और हलाल सर्टिफाइड है, जिसका नाम है मिस्टर ऑफ मिलान। मिलान एक फैशन कैपिटल, जहां से लेके इंडिया में हिमाचल प्रदेश से मैन्युफैक्चरिंग तक मिस्टर ऑफ मिलान की डेवलपमेंट हुई है। तो आज क्यों ना हम लाइव डेमो देखें मिस्टर ऑफ मिलान का। तो आइए चालू करते हैं मिस्टर ऑफ मिलान का फेस कैटेगरी का लाइव डेमो। Makeup is merely not applying only colors, but it enhances a woman's internal confidence. So, ये कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ाने के लिए मेरे साथ आइए मेरी एक प्यारी सी दोस्त जिसका नाम है सृष्टि। हाय सृष्टि।
हेलो।
जो आज हमें फेस कैटेगरी का मिस्टर ऑफ मिलान का लाइव डेमो देने जा रही है। So, let's start our demo.
So firstly we are going to start by moisturizing our face. यहाँ पे I'm using Assure's Daily Moisturizer which is enriched with mango butter, sunflower and olive oil. It's very important कि हम अपने face को अच्छे से moisturize कर ले before applying the makeup. Now here we have Mistral of Milan Concealer in shade 003 to cover the blemishes and dark spots, dark circles on our face. Make sure that the concealer that you use to cover up the blemishes is a little darker than your actual skin tone. So as you can already see, it blends in so amazingly with the skin, and the shade that I'm using is 003. It's available in 4 shades, that is from 001 to 004. For the foundation, I'm using Mistral of Milan's Perfect Blend Liquid Foundation, which has SPF 30. It's perfect for everyday wear. And the shade that I'm using is 001, which is Ivory. Then you have 002, known as Petal, 003 Sand, and 004 Amber. So you can choose the perfect fit for your skin. Now here comes the Mistral of Milan's Concealer in shade 002. So I'll be applying it on all the highlighting parts of the face in order to make the face look even more highlighted and bright. So it basically consists of the upper cheeks, the forehead, on the nose and on the chin where the light hits your face first. Blend it nicely and you can already see the skin and the face looks much brighter. मैं यूज करने वाली हूँ Mistral of Milan Makeup Pro Fix Loose Powder in the shade 007 Pearl. It gives the face matte finish. And अब मैं ये face पे apply करने वाली हूँ. I'm going to let it set on the face, which is also known as baking. For the eyes, I'm going to use Mistral of Milan True Emotion Eyeshadow in the shade 006 Caramel Twist Trio. Starting off with the eyebrows, I'll be using the black shade in the Trio eyeshadow palette. Very lightly use it and blend it into the eyebrows. Again, using the same shade, I'll be creating a smoky eye look, applying it on the outer corner of the eyes. Taking it only till the halfway, then using the silver shiny color of the palette, we are going to apply that on the inner part of the eye. On the innermost part of the eyes, I'm going to apply the shimmery peach color from the palette to make the eyes look even more bright. I'm also going to apply this on the sides, like the underneath of the sides of the eyebrows, to make it even more sharp and bright. Now comes the eyeliner, which is Mistral of Milan True Define Eyeliner in shade Black. So this eyeliner is really amazing because ये पहली बात तो water resistant है and it's super long lasting. One more really interesting thing about this eyeliner is कि ये eyeliner का जो tip है, it's very flexible and soft. At the same time, it's a little stiff, so it's amazing for the newcomers. If कोई पहली बार eyeliner लगाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं या फिर you are not really well with applying eyeliner, I think this is the perfect eyeliner for you to try. Remember, we were baking, so now the face is nicely baked and the powder has settled down nicely onto the skin. So let's brush off that powder. Mistral of Milan Deep Define Kajal. It's a beautiful range of kajal and it is available in 6 shades. So basically जो shade मैं use कर रही हूँ, that is 006 Peacock Green. इसमें you have basic black, blue, green, brown, purple and peacock green, and you can use whichever you like and have fun with it. Here comes the Mistral of Milan Showtime Mascara. It's a beautiful mascara. It's extremely volumizing, high definition, waterproof and long lasting. So using a mascara always elevates your eye look, so I highly recommend this to you. Now I'm using Mistral of Milan Silk Glow Blush. It's available in 5 shades. The one that I'm using is 003 by the name In Love, and it's a beautiful soft satin finish blush. So here's the twist, I'll be using the same eyeshadow palette for the highlighting as well. So I'm using the Shiny Peach color from the palette for the highlighter. Using a lip liner is not really that necessary, but we would be using it because it's important to define your lips more properly, and hence I'll be using the Mistral of Milan Ultra Define Lip Liner in shade 004. We have 4 shades in the lip liner. Now to fill up the lips, I'm using Mistral of Milan Longwear Liquid Lipstick. It has intense color, it gives velvet matte finish, and the shade that I'm using is 024 Perfect Maroon. It's a beautiful shade. So the lipsticks are available in 24 shades in total. So get yourself one.
So here is the final look. I love Mistral of Milan. अगर आपको ये प्रोडक्ट पसंद आए हैं तो मैं हर एक प्रोडक्ट का मैंने जो यूज़ किए हैं उसका मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में आपको डिटेल्स दे देती हूँ। और अगर आपको ऑर्डर करना है, कोई भी प्रोडक्ट्स आपको चाहिए, तो मैं मेरा मेल आईडी डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे रही हूँ। सो अगर आपको ये लाइव डेमो पसंद आया है तो प्लीज लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। और जिसने मेरा ये लाइव डेमो दिया है आपको, जिसने मेरा मेकअप किया है, वो है सृष्टि बार्लीवाल। शी इज अ वेरी गुड सिंगर और इसका यूट्यूब पे भी चैनल है, बहुत बड़ा चैनल है, और उसने 20 लैंग्वेजेस में गाने गाए हैं। तो उसको भी आप सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और लाइक कीजिए और शेयर कीजिए। डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मैंने उसके चैनल की लिंक दे दी है, तो वो भी आप देखिए। शी इज अ वेरी गुड सिंगर। सो